Welcome back to Start E-Learning. Today in this video we are going to see the Python program for printing this particular pattern. So see here, these are the characters, right? So that is alphabets. So this is A, B, C. So according to ASCII, the value of A is 65. Okay. Value of B is similarly 66. C 67. So likewise, if you wanted to print the alphabets means, so we just use this ASCII values. So if I wanted to print this particular A means, so I'll use CHR of this one A. When I tell the Python compiler like this means, so it will print A as the output. Okay. So similarly, so we just try to write the code for this. So as we know, firstly we wanted to understand this pattern. See here, so this is of the form matrix, right? So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5. So these are the columns C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. So we already know that how to print the matrix. So by using two for loops. For that I am using for I in range. So we have 5 rows and 5 columns, right? For that I am assigning n as 5 in range 5, and next for j in range. So see here, it is similar to the previous problem. So here one column is incrementing after each row. So for that I am using I plus 1. Okay. Next, I am trying to print this particular A, right? So for that, print CHR of, so A value, initially A value is 65, right? So A value is 65. So print CHR of EA. Okay. And then end. Next, I am just calling this for loop by using print function. Okay, so you just try to execute it, this particular pattern will be displayed. So one thing, so this is only for printing this particular row. If I wanted to print the entire 5 rows means, so you just increment the value as A plus equals to 1. So then the entire pattern will be displayed. So I wanted to explain you one thing. So if I increment over here, this particular pattern will be displayed. So if I increment the value over here, so I am just calling this print function. So when I increment like this, we will get the pattern as A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 E. Likewise, if I increment over there, so this particular pattern would be displayed. Okay. So when I increment this value here, so this pattern will be displayed. Okay. So you just try to execute both once. So definitely you will get these two particular patterns. Thank you.